Hello, my name is Sean, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're here. It has been a little while since I have recorded anything because I am still in the process of moving. Hence the reason I am using my laptop camera because I can't find my frickin' normal camera. And I'd use my cell phone, but that seems like such a pain in the butt. So I am here again, and I want to bring a nifty little story that just came out last week. If you're not subscribed, please do so. I am intending to try to get weekly videos back out again. I'm just trying to get this move completed, and it has been one hell of a time. Um, I know that's not really an excuse, but since I'm the only one that does all my stuff, it makes it a little hard for me to get everything done properly. So, that being said, in Washington state, there was a problem. Sometimes when you deal with burglars or criminals, they wear a mask. What happens when over 100 of these little criminals wearing masks come and bother you? Well, that's what happened in Washington to a lady that decided for the last 35 years that she would leave food in her yard for raccoons. So it came to fruition at the beginning of October, where she couldn't even leave her house because of the multitude of raccoons that were invading property. This is northwest of Seattle in a town called Poulsbo. Poulsbo? Poulsbo. Poulsbo is how I'm pronouncing it. If I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. She said that she's always been feeding the raccoons for like the last 35 years. This escalated really bad in the last few months. They were surrounding her house and out there during the day and the night demanding food, which can be a problem. They came out, she called 911, the police came out, and there was not much that we could do. So Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife were called and determined that there was no laws broken, but they didn't know how they're going to deal with this population of raccoons. You know, it all started out really simple for her. She was feeding the raccoon that was there. And then apparently that raccoon told a friend of his about this cushy situation. So he told another friend, and so on and so forth until she was overran. The newer raccoons were not polite. They didn't realize that, there were protocols for them to follow. So they were scratching her doors, her windows, demanding food. Anytime she came out of the house, she was swarmed by them and until she threw food, and then they'd scatter for the food. Normally, the normal ones that she fed were really nice, but these new ones were scaring the hell out of her. So, like I was saying, Game and Wildlife determined that there wasn't much they could do because she baited them. She was providing food for them, so now it's a to them to come to her location for food, and it was going to be really difficult. They had to, and it's still a work in progress. I have not found anything else about it, but it was quoted that if they had to get wrappers out there, for some odd reason, I don't understand this. This is ridiculous. But they're saying that it's going to cost like $500 per raccoon to trap them and cart them away someplace else. Why it costs that much, I don't know. I mean, I used to do animal control. And animal control, yes, we'd trap one, maybe two raccoons and take them and release them someplace else. But we didn't charge anything. Now, I know that was only one or two, that wasn't 100 raccoons, but I'm not understanding why it would cost $500 a raccoon. That just, I don't know, it sounds like highway robbery. So she's either going to be dealing with these little bandits with masks over their face or deal with other bandits that will come straight up to her and say, hey, it's going to cost you $500 per raccoon. So, yeah, I don't understand that. When I was doing the animal control, our relocation was within, a block or two. The main reason we did this is because if they had children or a colony nearby, they'd still be able to find their way home. But we're just trying to take them off of the person's property. Uh, but yeah, $500, I don't understand. That seems a little far-fetched. So, moral of the story is don't feed wild animals more than you should. It can be pretty bad. So, other than that, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm hoping they're still watching right now. Otherwise, I'm just talking to myself. But I hope everyone is doing well. After I get this move done, I'm going to hit it full force. I mean, it sucks because it's October and I really wanted to do some scary things for October, but I think hopefully by the middle of November, I will be completely ready and going again. I'm hoping by the beginning of November, I might too. So, that being said, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed and if you're still watching right now, please subscribe. Um, I will be making more content and better content than using my computer and a janky mic that I have. So hopefully audio sounds okay. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. Love you all. And hoping to see you soon weekly. But until then, thank you for watching and have a great week. Bye.